All right, so we're back again, another day in Vegas. Right now, I am outside of First Fridays, which happens every first Friday of the month in Las Vegas downtown arts district. It's a big festival of art, different vendors selling crafts, different food trucks. There's probably like 20 different food trucks over there. There's a stage where they have performances, and there's art all over the place. And if you ever come to downtown Vegas, you can pretty much just walk around in this area and just see art all over the walls, art all over the buildings. It's really cool. So we're gonna check out First Friday. And of course, they're doing a festival out there today, a beer festival. So I will be going to that. So right now I'm just walking through the actual gallery at the event where a lot of the artists have their stuff stored. So you can walk through this gallery, I think, at any time and look at all the art in here. I think some of the artists probably rent these spaces and showcase their art. So it's really cool to just come up here and walk around and see all this dope art.
have our Hot Vegas, West Coast, kind of Southern California, some of the dark, bitter citrus, very nice and classic one down there. And then the Silver State Blonde, very easy drinking, a little bit of sweetness from the grains, very nice and light mouthfeel. And then our Dunkel Lager is actually in the front English VIP area, so if you haven't visited the Dunkel Hotel,
okay.
right over there you have special pours, special food.
I didn't even know that. Thank you for the insight. Let me do the blonde. Yeah. Love the nails too.
Thank you. Here we go. Cheers.
Thank you so much. Cheers. This is a jalapeno beer.
I mean, you didn't say quite like that.
So good.
It's got a really nice strawberry aftertaste.
All right, I'll try it.
That's what you're here for, is to try
Yeah.
new things. And the cool thing is, if you don't dig it, you dump it out and you get something else. And if
Exactly.
you do like it, you just keep coming back to it.
Right. Thank
See
you.
what you think.
So that girl just convinced me that this IPA was just gonna be the bee's knees, and she was right. I hate IPA. And this is actually really good. It's a strawberry milkshake IPA. You can kind of smell the strawberry in it. It tastes like a mix between an IPA and a sour, kind of. That's like the best way that I can describe it, but it's really good. Hi, how are you?
Camera, that's lovely.
You are on camera. I love it.
Okay, are you ready for me, Gelada?
Absolutely. I'm ready.
I'm not doing anything. I'm heavy on my butt. That's why. Wait a little bit, okay? That's nice.
I love it.
So we are pouring the original Diane Flavor, some beer for you today.
Awesome.
Jalapeno, is that okay with you?
Ooh, yes. I love that. Little spice.
Yes. Okay, beautiful.
Awesome. Thank you so much. So if you got a VIP ticket, it also came with food. So that's why I'm having all these food trials as well. I got a little bit of calamari. I had a taco, a short rib taco. I also had a chicken sandwich. I had some pork belly bites. Well, it's actually a pretty good deal because you're getting all this beer, but then if you got VIP, you're also getting like some food samples as well. And the food so far has been pretty good. You guys, I'm back again at Banger Brewing. I told you, a jalapeno beer speaks to my heart. Anything with jalapeno and spice to it is how you get to me. So I'm here again for the El Jefe Jalapeno Heffenweiser. It was so good. Like, you guys have to try this. If you like spicy margaritas, spicy drinks, you gotta try this El Jefe Jalapeno Heffenweiser from Banger Brewing. It is so freaking good. Okay, so I've tried every place at the beer festival. Now I'm gonna walk back through First Friday, see what's going on now. There's so many people here now. It got so packed. So we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. Look. when I first walked through here, there was like nobody here because I got here like super early. And now there's like a ton of people here. So it's like a really fun atmosphere. You got different people walking around. You still got all the vendors out here, so people are checking out all the different places to eat, all the different shops to buy stuff from, all the different art vendors. It's just like a happening event. And especially if, like, even if you're not into like stuff like this, like you're more into the partying and going out in Vegas, the fun thing about this is that this event starts early enough where you can come here first, just hang out with friends, have a good time, get a couple cocktails, a couple beers, because they do have like a cocktail stand here, and start your night. And then after this, you know, you guys can get a little and then go out afterward. So it's like a good starter, you know what I mean? A good like pre-gamer. Like come here, listen to some music, get a little lit, and then you go out afterward, you hit the strip, or this area is in downtown, so it's a little bit closer to Fremont. So you can come out here and then go to Fremont afterward.